welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today I have a new sprouting video for you guys. So today I'm going to go ahead and plant up that little area where I planted my sunflowers. So they came out and I'm going to plant something new today just because I'm in the mood to planting something. So the whole idea right now, so I'm basically going to go ahead and plant up sweet potato vine, purple coleus, lily of the valley plant, caladiums, and wishbone flowers. Those are all the plants I'm going to use today. They're going to look great. That area was for proven winners right there, but I'm trying to save up money right now just because I want to buy their plants, and like I said last time, it didn't work out us working together, but it's totally fine. I'm going to look for more people, but I'm going to save up money just because I really love their company and their plants are amazing. So I'm going to save up money. So for when those come out, I'm going to put in some proven winner plants in, and I hope they're going to be great. So let's go ahead and get on with the video. So guys, I already finished planting everything. I watered everything really good to the point where the plants look a little bit like, how can I say it? Like if they were hit by something and it made them go down. But in reality, hello, see my shadow. So right here, all the sweet potato vines, all of them, they're watered really good, as you can see, because it's pretty hot today. I don't even know what the temperature is today, but who knows. But that's the end today, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss none of my videos, make sure to hit that bell notification button, and also make sure to see my recent videos to keep your garden flourishing and producing for you. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.